po si Felix Morauda, DTF operator ng Honjet machine dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit. May 74 meters kami na-run as of this week. Ito ang capping, 90% working. Ito ang heads. Head clean tayo. Punasan ng wiper head after head clean. Nozzle check. Yung system ay tama lang. Missing tank, malinis ng Friday. Round wire. Ito po ang use ink. Film. Cleaning solution. Ang use ink. Powder. Ito po ang monthly maintenance checklist. Ito naman nagamit sa black. Powder. White ink. Yellow. Magenta. Film, cleaning solution, cyan. Ito yung monthly inventory. Consumable, nakagamit ako ng isang film. Workload. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.